Hi everyone. Today I'm making homemade grilled chicken. I have about 14 thighs in here. And this is my seasoning. Now, all I need to do is just mix them up. Just gonna mix it until they're all even up. And then you put it in the fridge for about 2 days. It's really tender after you preserve for 2 days. And of course, when you grill, make sure you have the onion on top of the chicken as well. It's the burning onion that makes the chicken taste good. Gà nướng, hành tây ha. Trong đây mình có là 14 cái đùi gà, 5 muỗng canh đường, 4 muỗng canh nước mắm, 2 muỗng canh đường, 2 muỗng canh muối chứ quên, lộn. Với 3 muỗng dầu olive oil. Looks like they're all even now. So after 2 days, you can air fry it or deep fry it. Either way, still tastes good. I usually air fry it instead of deep fry it. So that's it. That's my onion grilled chicken. There. Now I'll go into the fridge. Mình ướp xong rồi mình để trong tủ lạnh khoảng 2 ngày gì. Đem ra nướng nó mềm lắm.